Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐚𝐧𝐤 with another quick tip to know whether how you can make post Flair a requirement for posting on subreddit. So to do that, sign into your Reddit account and go to the subreddit where you want to make post Flair a requirement. And then click on create post. Here you can see that there is an asterisk sign next to the title, which means writing a title is a requirement, whereas it's not available next to the Flair, which means one can post without adding a Flair to his post. And here you can see there is no Flair has been added to this post. So to make it a requirement, go to More Tools and then under Post and Comments, turn on Require Post Flair. Just make sure you already have created some flares, otherwise it will ignore the post Flair while posting. Now go back to the create post of your subreddit. And here you can see that there is an asterisk sign available next to the Flair, which means when someone will try to post something, he will not be able to post without applying a post Flair. And this is how you can make post Flair a requirement for posting on subreddit. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.